Hi all, welcome to TestNG all-in-one crash course from Fast and Easy Learning. So in this video, we are going to discuss about parallelism in TestNG. So before discussing parallelism in TestNG, let's discuss what is this parallelism. Parallelism or multi-threading in software is defined as the ability of software, operating system or program to execute multiple parts or subcomponents of program to run simultaneously. So advantages of parallel test execution is multiple tests get executed simultaneously, hence reducing the overall time taken to execute the test. And here TestNG provides multiple ways to execute tests in parallel by creating separate threads. So don't worry, it's very simple and we don't have to implement any thread concept here. It's all taken care by TestNG. So in TestNG, we will achieve parallel execution by two ways. One is with creating XML suite file, another is we can configure an independent test method to run in multiple threads. In the next upcoming tutorials, we are going to see the various ways to run test in parallel. So there are two different ways basically. One is by XML suite file and another one is by running independent test methods in parallel. So in XML suite file, we'll be seeing three different examples. The first one will be running methods in parallel. The second one will be running classes in parallel, and the third one will be running test inside a suite in parallel. We'll also be seeing an example for running independent test methods in parallel. Thanks for watching this video and have a fast and easy learning.